Hey guys, how's it going? We got big news from Voyager. This is, I think, one of the biggest news ever. Them securing the final approval to begin operations in Europe. I mean, as you know, short-term shareholders or people who want the stock to get pumped. Of course, we want Voyager to go into Europe as soon as possible. Like as soon as his approval, go in a week later, go in. But Voyager, when they launch in Europe, they want to make sure the platform can handle the huge amount of traffic that's going to come onto the platform. So that's why they're not going to launch right away. That's why they're making sure their systems work, and they're going, when they actually do a proper launch, it can handle the huge amount of customers that is going to go onto their platform. And this is big deal in my opinion. I'm going to assume that Voyager CEO is going to come out and talk about this. I'm sure a lot of Voyager YouTuber fanboys are going to come out and make videos about this. And I think I'm just so shocked right now at the stock price and the fact that it's not moving up. I went out and I bought more shares today. I saw this news and I was like, this is fantastic news, and the stock price didn't move. Wow, man, this is a blessing in disguise. At least in my opinion, it could drop down even lower. After just because that's just how the market works. This is how retarded the market is. But hey, it is what it is. I don't know at the end of the day what's going, what's going to cause this stock to move. But I think the stock should move. That's why I bought more shares after I heard this news. If it keeps dropping, I'll keep buying. Maybe I'll end up going all in on Voyager. Who knows at the end of the day? Probably not. Not because I'm not, I don't need to do that. But I'll keep buying if it keeps going down. That's one thing for sure. So, very excited for this news. Very happy about this news. I'm just finding how retarded the market is and why the stock's not moving. But hey, whatever. Buying opportunity. So, according to this press release, they are planning to launch in certain European countries late in the March 2022 quarter. So we're gonna have to wait 6 months, approximately 6 months, for them to launch their crypto platform in certain European countries. Not just one country. This is multiple countries they're gonna launch in. This is potentially getting millions of more customers onto their platform in literally, by the time they launch. Like when they launch, there's gonna be tons of people that are gonna download this app. They're gonna ramp on millions of more accounts and millions of more customers. I'm just hoping, this is just my hope, that Voyager launches in Canada before they launch in Europe, so I can buy some VGX token before those VGX tokens get pumped to the moon, because that's what I think is going to happen when they launch in Europe later next year. So I'm very excited for this. I think that Voyager is on a huge discount for the stock price, and I'm loading up more shares. So that is my plan. Not financial advice to anyone. Always gonna say that, because that's the market. It's risky. Anything is possible. Stocks can continue to go down even on good news. It is what it is. I'm very excited about this. I can't wait for the YouTube fanboys to come out and talk about this, and definitely listen to what they have to say and maybe make an updated video. We'll see what happens. So Voyager right now sitting at $11.88. I went out and I bought it at $11.89 this morning. had a small little pump to $12 and then it fell flat again. I'm just surprised that institutional investors and the market overall just not buying this stock up like crazy. Like this is such big news. I'm just so shocked about this. Maybe because crypto is under pressure, like Bitcoin is under a little bit of pressure, down a little bit today. So maybe that's the reason why. We'll see what happens in the future, but I'm very bullish on Voyager. I think that this is going to be, at these prices, I think you can easily double your money. If this thing pumps back to like $22 or $24, you double your money, and I can easily see that happening in the next 6 months. My opinion only, not financial advice. We'll see what happens. Very good food company. Maybe the market is gonna value them more than Voyager Digital. Maybe the meme investors will come in and pump this thing to $20, and it'll be over $2 billion market cap. Who really knows at the end of the day? That's how retarded the market can be sometimes. So we'll see what happens. But I don't have a position in Very. I hope all the Very investors make it off like bandits. That's my hope. I don't know if that'll happen, but Very is officially traded on the Nasdaq. The market is a little red today. Maybe that's the reason why Voyager is not pumping. This is fantastic news. It should pump on this news, in my opinion only. We'll see what happens. But you're expanding in Europe. Will it's like going to double the user base, in my opinion, and possibly their stock price too in the future. Anyways, that's it for the video. Okay, wow, I got like 1 more minute to go. Let's look at like coin. See what coin is doing right now. Coinbase is slightly down today. VGX, this is the token. It's getting pumped today, but I'm really hoping Voyager comes to Canada before they come to Europe. I'm hoping the regulators in Canada approves of Voyager coming to Canada so I can start buying some VGX token so I can participate in the loyalty program. So I don't know if it'll happen, but I'm hoping, crossing my fingers for it. Anyways, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. I can't believe I'm pretty close to 8 minutes, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to, and have a great day. Bye.